हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, आज हम PU2 मैथमेटिक्स में पार्ट 1 बुक में कंटिन्यूटी चैप्टर नंबर 5 कंटिन्यूटी एंड डिफरेंशिएबिलिटी का इंट्रोडक्शन पार्ट और एक्सप्लेनेशन मैंने पिछले वीडियो में किया है। सो इससे पहले का वीडियो आप देखें, आपको इंट्रोडक्शन पार्ट, ग्राफ, ये सब मैं एक्सप्लेन की हूँ, ऑल एग्जाम्पल्स एक्सप्लेन की हूँ। आज हम इम्पॉर्टेंट इस कंटिन्यूटी में 4 मार्क क्वेश्चन नंबर 50B में पूछा जाएगा। उसके लिए जो इम्पोर्टेंट एग्जांपल्स हैं मैं वही सॉल्व करूँगी। तो 5.1 में जो एग्जांपल्स इम्पोर्टेंट हैं वही मैं सॉल्व करूँगी। सो दिस एग्जांपल 17, 18 एंड हियर एक बार ये जुलाई में एग्जांपल पूछी गई थी, ये एग्जांपल और एग्जांपल 26, 27, 28, 29, 30 इन एग्जांपल्स को मैं सॉल्व करने जा रही हूँ। आप ये मेरे तमाम वीडियो देखिए तो आपको 4 मार्क क्वेश्चन नंबर 50B में परफेक्ट हो जाएगा, गारंटी। इसी में आपको क्वेश्चंस आने के चांसेस हैं इंशाल्लाह। अब हम एक के बाद एक ये इम्पोर्टेंट एग्जांपल्स को सॉल्व करेंगे। आप भी इन एग्जांपल्स को परफेक्ट कीजिए सो दैट यू कैन सॉल्व इन एग्ज़ाम। सो टेक एग्जाम्पल 17, ये भी बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट एग्जाम में बहुत बार पूछी गई इंपॉर्टेंट एग्जाम्पल है। फाइंड द रिलेशनशिप बिटवीन A एंड B सो दैट द फंक्शन f डिफाइंड बाय f of x इक्वल टू ax प्लस 1 इफ x इज लेस देन और इक्वल टू 3 एंड bx प्लस 3 इफ x इज ग्रेटर देन 3 इज कंटिन्यूअस एट x इक्वल टू 3। Here the function is given that already the function is continuous at x equal to 3. That means positive limit equal to negative limit equal to f of a. A means here 3 is given. So a function is continuous at point A if right hand limit equal to left hand limit equal to f of a. So here the function is given already that the function is continuous at x equal to 3. That means f of 3 equal to right hand limit equal to left hand limit. If right hand limit equal to left hand limit, the limit will exist. The function must be continuous. Continuous कब होता है फंक्शन? राइट हैंड लिमिट इक्वल टू लेफ्ट हैंड लिमिट इक्वल टू f of c भी होना ज़रूरी है, ये पॉइंट भी बहुत ज़रूरी है। So the function is, we are defining the function at point x equal to 3. The given function is already continuous at x equal to 3. That means f of 3 equal to right hand limit equal to left hand limit. What is f of 3 here? f of 3 means x equal to 3. तो यहाँ इक्वल साइन दी गई है तो हमें ये फंक्शन को लेना होगा और x की वैल्यू हमें 3 डालना होगा एट x इक्वल टू 3. सो f of 3 इज a इंटू 3 प्लस 1 इक्वल टू राइट हैंड लिमिट कौन सा लेंगे हम? लिमिट एज x टेंड्स टू 3 पॉजिटिव कौन सा लेंगे? पॉजिटिव मीन्स ग्रेटर साइड. सो दिस इज ग्रेटर देन 0. यहाँ पर नंबर लाइन में यू कैन फाइंड ऑल द नंबर्स पॉजिटिव ग्रेटर देन 0. हियर दिस साइड यू आर गेटिंग नेगेटिव नंबर्स. सो लेस ग्रेटर देन 3 मीन्स राइट हैंड लिमिट, लेस देन मीन्स लेफ्ट हैंड लिमिट. सो x पॉजिटिव लिमिट मीन्स यू हैव टू टेक x ग्रेटर देन 3 दिस साइड. सो पॉजिटिव लिमिट जब भी आता है आपको ग्रेटर साइन देखनी चाहिए, जो ग्रेटर देन 0 होता है वही आपको लेना होगा. सो लिमिट x टेंड्स टू 3 एट x ग्रेटर देन 3 इज पॉजिटिव लिमिट हम कौन सा लेंगे? दिस वन, bx प्लस 3, bx प्लस 3. सो अब हम इसकी लिमिट वैल्यू डालेंगे तो x टेंड्स टू हमें 3 डालना है. यहाँ पर होगा 3b, b इंटू 3, 3b प्लस 3. हियर f of 3 इक्वल टू राइट हैंड लिमिट 3a प्लस 1 इक्वल टू 3b प्लस 3. सो 3a इक्वल टू 3b, ये प्लस 3, ये प्लस 1 इधर साइड लेकर जाओ, माइनस 1 होगा. सो 3 माइनस 1 इज 2. नाउ डिवाइड ईच टर्म बाय 3. you will get the relation between A and B. So dividing throughout by 3 will get cancelled. A equal to B plus 2. So this is the required relation between A and B. A equal to B plus 2. यहाँ एग्जाम्पल में भी वही पूछा गया है, फाइंड द रिलेशनशिप बिटवीन A एंड B so that the relation f defined by f of x equal to ax plus 1, x is less than or equal to 3, and bx plus 3 if x is greater than 3 is continuous at x equal to 3. The given function is already continuous at x equal to 3. So f of 3 equal to right hand limit equal to left hand limit. We have taken right hand limit. So f of 3 means here equal to 3, this function, take this function, here x equal to 3 is there. So 3 into a plus 1, that is 3 into a plus 1, and the right hand limit means greater sign you have to take, greater than 0 you have to take, or greater than 3 function you have to take. Limit f of x plus 3, x tends to 3 plus, that means 3 into, take this function, 3 into b into x, put the value of x as 3, 3b plus 3. So 3a plus 1 equal to 3b plus 3. 3a equal to 3b plus 2, a equal to 3b plus 2. So divide throughout by 3, you will get a equal to b plus 2. So this is the required relation between A and B. I hope you have understood this problem. Come to the next problem, that is second one. Here our question is, for what value of lambda is the function defined by f of x equal to lambda x square minus 2x 4x plus 1 if x is less than or equal to 0, if x is greater than 0, continuous at x equal to 0, what about continuity at x equal to 1? The function is already continuous at point x equal to 0. उसके बाद हमें चक्कर देखना है कि व्हाट अबाउट कंटिन्यूटी एट एक्स इक्वल टू 1, फॉर व्हाट वैल्यू ऑफ लैम्बडा, लैम्बडा की वैल्यू क्या होने पर द फंक्शन कंटिन्यूस होगा, and we have to check at 2 points, at x equal to 0 and x equal to 1. So here also already it is given that the function is already continuous given function is continuous at x equal to 3, at x equal to 0. So फर्स्ट हम at x equal to 0 चेक करेंगे. सो व्हाट इज f of 0 हियर, x equal to 0, हमें a फंक्शन लेना होगा. f of 0 मीन्स लैम्बडा इंटू ब्रैकेट 0 स्क्वायर माइनस 2 इंटू 0, दैट इज 0. सो हियर f of 0 इज 0. नेक्स्ट टेक राइट हैंड लिमिट. राइट हैंड लिमिट मीन्स लिमिट f of x एज x टेंड्स टू 0 प्लस इक्वल टू, हमें कौन सा फंक्शन लेना होगा, यहाँ पर हमें ग्रेटर द साइन देखना होगा. इफ इट इज़ ग्रेटर देन 0, पॉजिटिव लिमिट, वी हैव टू टेक दिस फंक्शन. सो लिमिट f of x एज x टेंड्स टू 0 प्लस इज दिस, टेक दिस फंक्शन, लिमिट एज x टेंड्स टू 0 प्लस 4x plus 1. So put the value of x as 0, 4 into 0, 0, you are getting 0 here. When we put the value, we should not write the limit. So here f of 0 is also 0, f of 0 is also 0, and right hand limit is also 0. Here a right hand limit is not 0, it is 1. 4 into 0 plus 1, it is 1. So f of 0 equal to 0 is not equal to RHL. This implies f of x is not continuous at x equal to 0 for every lambda value. F of x is not continuous at x equal to 0 for every lambda belongs to R. So thus for no value of lambda f is continuous. Thus for no value of lambda f is continuous at x equal to 0. At x equal to 0 the function is not continuous because f of 0 equal to 0 and right hand limit equal to we are getting 1. Therefore the function is not continuous at x equal to 0 for every value of lambda. Now check at x equal to 1. At x equal to 1 you have to check the value. So what is f of 1 here? F of 1 means we have to take the function, positive function at 1. So what function we have to take? Greater than 0 means here we are getting 1. यहाँ पर हमें 1 मिलेगा. So f of 1 means you have to take this function 4 into 1 plus 1, that is 4 plus 1 5. Here f of 1 is 5. Now take the positive limit, because positive limit, negative limit and f of a all are equal because it is given that the function is already continuous. So limit f of x as x tends to 1 plus means limit as x tends to 1, 4x plus 1, put the value of x as 1, 4 into 1 plus 1, that is 5. So both the values we are getting 5. F of 1 is also 5 and positive limit f of x as x tends to 1 is also 5. Therefore f of x is continuous at x equal to 1 for any value of lambda. Thus for any value of lambda f of x is continuous. So at both the points we have checked the value. It is given that question is for what value of lambda the function defined by f of x equal to lambda x square minus 2x 4x plus 1 if x is less than or equal to 0, if x is greater than 0 is continuous at x equal to 0. What about continuity at x equal to 1? So on the both the points we have to check the continuity at x equal to 0. First we take x equal to 0. F of 0 means lambda into 0 square minus 2 into 0. At x equal to 0 means this function you have to take. Next, right hand limit. The function is already continuous at x equal to 0 and x equal to 1. So right hand limit equal to f of a equal to left hand limit. All are already equal. So take positive limit. Limit f of x as x tends to 0. Greater means this function you have to take 4x plus 1. Put the value of x as 0. 4 into 0, 0 plus 1 is 1. But here f of 0 is 0. So 0 is not equal to 1. Therefore f of 0 equal to 0 is not equal to right hand limit. So f is not continuous at x equal to 0 for every lambda belongs to R. Thus for no value of lambda the function is continuous at x equal to 0. Now check at x equal to 1. So now take at x equal to 1 f of 1 equal to f of 1 means which function we have to take here? Here in greater than 0 you can find the function this one, x greater than 0, that means 1 you are getting here. You cannot take this function because at x equal to less than or equal to 0 this function is given. So at x equal to 1 you have to take this function 4x plus 1. So f of 1 is 4 into 1 plus 1, that is 5. Now take positive limit. The same function again you have to take because you are यहाँ पर आपको greater than 1 यही function मिलेगा because greater than 0 this function is given. For every greater than 0 this function. So limit f of x as x tends to 1 plus equal to, put the value of x as 1 here, 4 into 1 plus 1, that is 5. Therefore f of x is continuous at x equal to 1. Thus for every value of lambda f of x is continuous. I hope you understood this problem. Now come to the next question. find the values of a and b such that the function defined by f of x equal to 5 if x is less than or equal to 2, ax plus b if x is greater than 2 and less than 10, and 21 if x is greater than or equal to 10 is continuous function. So for this, what you have to do, first you have to take the given function is already, it is very easy question. Here the given function is already continuous, given function is continuous, that means f of 2 equal to RHL, right hand limit, f of 2 equal to right hand limit. Here f of 2 is this one, less than or equal to 2, equal to 2 is 5, f of 2 is 5, this equal to limit as x tends to 2 plus f of x. So 2 plus f of x is greater than 2. Which function we have to take? This one. 2 is less than x, that means x is greater than 2. अगर हम इधर की वैल्यू इनइक्वालिटी में इधर की वैल्यू इधर, इधर की वैल्यू इधर लेंगे तो इनइक्वालिटी यहाँ पर चेंज हो जाएगी. ये आपको आसानी होगी. 2 लेस देन एक्स आपके जल्दी समझ में नहीं आएगा, इसलिए 2 एक्स देन एक्स लिखकर आप दोनों को वैल्यूज़ को उल्टा कीजिए. x इज़ ग्रेटर देन 2 you will find. So x greater than 2 means you have to take this function ax plus b, positive function means put the value of x as 2, a into 2 plus b, that is 2a plus b. So phi equal to 2a plus b, इसे इक्वेशन 1 लिख लो. Similarly at x equal to 10, take this point 10, this is positive limit, and equal to 10 you can take 21. At x equal to 10, what is f of 10? F of 10 is take left hand limit, because you have to take the value of a and b, so this function you have to take लेफ्ट हैंड लिमिट, इसलिए हम यहाँ पर लेफ्ट हैंड लिमिट ले रहे हैं. अगर राइट हैंड लेंगे तो हम सिर्फ 21 मिलेगा. सो एफ ऑफ 21 इज, एफ ऑफ 0 इज 21. Here f of 0 is 21. And what is negative limit here? Ax plus b, limit as x tends to 10, ax plus b. So 21 equal to, put the value of x as 10, 10a plus b. This is equation 2. Now equation, subtracting equation 2 by 1, you do 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 will give, this one is 21 equal to 10a plus b minus 5 equal to 2a plus b. So subtract these equations, you will get here 16 equal to, so bb will get cancelled. 10 minus 2 is 8a. So 8a equal to 16, a equal to 16 by 8, that is 2, 8 1 8, 8 2 is 16, a equal to 2. So put this a equal to, value of a equal to 2 in this equation, in any equation you can take. So from 1, equation 1 is phi equal to, see this equation, phi equal to 2a plus b, you write here and put the value of a here, you will get the value of b, 2 into 2 plus b. So phi equal to 4 plus b, 5 minus 4 equal to b, therefore b equal to 1. So the question is find the value of a and b such that the function defined by f of x equal to this function is continuous function. So we have solved and we have find the values of a and b here like this. I hope you understood this question. In next video we shall solve some more examples. Still 5 examples are there. Totally 8 examples we are going to solve. So next 5 examples you can see in next videos. Thank you students.